Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Halfway Through the Week. Today is Wednesday, December 11th of 2019, and here are the announcements for today. Today is an early dismissal day, so early dismissal is today, so we'll be dismissing at 1:05. Also, December birthdays, we do not have any birthdays to announce for today, so no December birthdays to announce. Our lunch choices for today will be beef and cheese nachos, Bosco breadsticks, or Pepe pizza salad. And our pause expectations are brought to you by kindergarten students and Mrs. Hirsch and Mrs. Green's class.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause expectations, so please make sure you're listening to their expectations of what you should be doing or should not be doing.
No kicking people. No pushing people. No touching people. No punching people.
Thank you. Boys and girls came up with a lot of things today about not to do. So the big thing they wanted to stress is that there's keeping your hands and your feet to yourself.
Thank you guys very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. I appreciate that. Everybody have a great day today. I know we're still doing map testing, so make sure that you do your best on that. It's very important that you try your best and do your best efforts on these exams and these tests, please. So remember, early dismissal today. Normal day up until after lunch. Things will change a little bit because we get dismissed at 1:05. Everyone have a great day.